Good afternoon, viewers. Hope you have a wonderful day. It's Tuesday, May 10th, 2022. It's around 1 p.m. and the temperature is 31 degrees centigrade here in Yangon, Myanmar. Now I am walking across University Avenue Road in Kamayut Township, Yangon, Myanmar. Let's walk. As you can see over there, that is the signboard of University of Yangon. This university was established in 1878. During that time it was named as Rangoon College, and at that time it was an affiliate college of University of Calcutta. As you can see, this is the entrance of the gate university. As you can see, this is the main campus of the university. Now I am walking across the university campus. This university is 144 years old. It was established as Rangoon College in 1878. During that time it was an affiliate college of University of Calcutta. It was renamed as Government College in 1904, and it was formed as University of Rangoon in 1920. Currently the university has 1,300 staffs. Total students of this university is 15,000. There are 3 departments in this university. They are science, arts and law. It's a beautiful campus indeed. Beautiful greenery surrounded the campus, as you can see. During British colonial time it was administered by the Educational Syndicate of British government. It was modeled after University of Cambridge and University of Oxford. During British colonial time it was one of the prestigious and leading university in Southeast Asia. It was also an top university in Asia. This is a neat and clean, well-maintained campus. It's a peaceful campus indeed. As you can see over there, some renovation works are ongoing. As you can see over there, that is University Museum. During Second World War, Japanese soldiers occupied this campus. The road is quite wet because of rain shower earlier morning. Before 1962, the medium of instruction of this university was English. After 1962, the medium of instruction is Burmese. From 1996 to 2013, bachelor's degrees of this university were not offered. After 2013, on 2014, the undergraduate program resumed. During British colonial time, students from elite families were get chance to study here. Best students of the country get chance to study here. What a beautiful campus. During British colonial time, it was one of the prestigious and leading university in Southeast Asia and one of the top universities in Asia. During that time, students around the world come here to study. Before 1962, the medium of instruction of the study was in English. After 1962, the medium of instruction of study is Burmese. As you can see on the left side, this is Arts Hall, Department of Oriental Studies, Department of Geography. As you can see, beautiful greeneries surrounded the campus. It enhanced the beauty of the campus. It's really a beautiful campus. As you can see over there, that is Auditorium Hall. The President of United States visited this campus in 2012. As you can see, this is the exterior of the Auditorium Hall. As you can see, the renovation work of the Auditorium Hall is ongoing. This is one of the oldest university in Yangon. University of Yangon is a public university. This is the premises of the university. It's really a beautiful campus indeed. The exterior of the Auditorium Hall describes how old the university is. As you can see, this is the Department of Physics of University of Yangon. This is Department of Physics building. As you can see, what a mind-boggling beauty of the nature in the campus. It's really a peaceful campus indeed. As you can see over there, there are some jackfruits. This is auditorium hall, as you can see. This is really a well organized and well maintained campus indeed. Best students from the country study here. This is an old auditorium indeed. On the right side, this is Arts Hall, Department of Oriental Studies, Department of Geography, as you can see. Before 1962, University of Yangon was one of the leading university in Southeast Asia as well as in Asia. Students around the world come here for study. Before 1962, it was the best university in Myanmar also. The medium of instruction was English before 1962, and after 1962 the medium of instruction became Burmese language. Keep your campus clean. As you can see, this is recreation center of the campus. As you can see on the right side, this is Jason Street. Panglong Hall also located here. As you can see, this campus is very neat and clean. Cleaners are cleaning the campus. There is no poster on the wall. It's really a well-disciplined university campus. As you can see, this is the University Museum. As you can see, there are some halls in this campus. There are Pinea Hall, Bago Hall, Patton Hall, Inoa Hall and Saging Hall. As you can see, this is a hall in the campus. A cleaner is cleaning this campus. These are some halls for students. It's really a peaceful atmosphere in the campus premises. Over there, that is a playground. As you can see, that is a playground. These are old colonial era buildings. These are some halls of the campus university. So that is a playground. Students can play football here. University of Yangon is one of the oldest university in Myanmar. This is a public university. The surrounded natural beauty of the campus brings peacefulness in the mind. This is a nice place for a study. Before 1962, international students can study here. They come to Burma for a study. During that time, the medium of instruction was English. After 1962, the medium of instruction of the study became Burmese. Over there, that is a playground. As you can see, this is another hall for a student. As you can see, this is a hall in the campus area. As you can see, this is a jackfruit tree. Some jackfruits. As you can see, this is Dagon Street. Over there, our staff is cutting grass. As you can see, cleaners are cleaning the campus. It's really a well-maintained, neat and clean campus. Now I'm exiting the campus. As you can see, this is a footpath beside the campus premises. There are lots of green trees beside the footpath. It's really a mind-boggling beauty of the campus. As you can see over there, that is Ledan Center. That's it from today's video. Hope you have enjoyed this update. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.